brake. I had my foot over the brakes, so I needed to use it. I just did.
You did, didn't you?
Oh my God!
It's a great feeling, and I've been the only one doing
Watch
it.
out.
I've been the only one celebrating, but starting next week, Katie as well.
Got it on camera too.
Participating in tracksuit.
I found some good ones.
Yeah, Katie found some really good.
That work crew guy's gonna get in trouble.
Nick
The work crew guy has to prisoner.
Yeah, prison work crew.
You just have to convince Audrey.
Candy, how you find?
What was from a turnip?
I said trouble, not food.
This is the best way to tell. What's wrong with
I'll get
tracksuits?
her to buy the orange one.
I get actively excited
I'm
every
excited
Friday
to
when I walk
review
in my
that. I just
closet.
got that
I'm
on
like,
camera.
Oh yeah, I halfway put on jeans today and
Fine,
stopped.
Ma,
And
killing
then
yourself.
dropped him and was like, oh no, not today.
He stayed upright though, but he landed in the grass.
I'm glad I didn't wear a tracksuit.
He didn't crash
Are you saying
anything.
there's
He
somewhere that you're
ran
going today that I would
aground.
not be welcome?
I doubt there's